Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today we have something cute and fun to make, especially if you have kids. If you do, call them over, so you can all have fun making this fun-sized English Muffins Margherita Pizza together. Let's get into it. Okay, we will start by grabbing a good melting vegan cheese. We are using Violife, but feel free to use your own favorite cheese. If you do use Violife as well, we would recommend using either the original flavor or the mature cheddar flavor, which in particular is one of the best vegan cheeses we've tried so far. So, take your cheese and grate at least about 100 grams. This depends on how many muffins you will be using. We are using 3. Which makes up 6 halves, so 100 or 150 grams is enough. Of course, you can always make it extra cheesy if you want. Take a handful of fresh basil leaves. Chop them roughly and set aside. Take the English muffins and cut them in half. Take a baking sheet and place it on a baking tray, along with the halved muffins. And brush each half with a little olive oil. After this, take marinara or pizza sauce and spread it evenly on each muffin. You can find our homemade marinara sauce recipe on a card in the top right corner or in the description box below. Now add the grated cheese on top of each half, and you can take this opportunity and make it as cheesy as you want. Sprinkle some fresh, roughly chopped basil on top of the cheese, and when you're done, go preheat your oven to about 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit and bake your muffins for approximately 5 minutes. Don't forget to keep an eye on it because we only need to melt the cheese and we don't want to burn it. Take it out, and before you dig in, you can garnish your muffins with some more chopped basil leaves. It adds a little extra to it. Now go and enjoy your little Margherita Pizza English muffins. We are sure especially your kids will love it, even though this type of snack will be hugely appreciated by literally anyone. You can let us know how you and your kids enjoyed this little cheesy feast down in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with everyone. And as always, don't forget, you can veganize anything. Thank you for watching and see you next week.